Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the tallest buildings in New Kingston. And the tallest building in New Kingston is actually this building straight ahead, which is the Jamaica Pegasus. It's not only the tallest building in New Kingston, it's also the tallest building in Jamaica. This building is 17 stories high, and recently it was announced that a new building is going to be built in New Kingston called the Ascent, and that building is going to be 27 stories high. But until it's completed, they haven't even broke ground yet. Until this is still the tallest building in Jamaica and the tallest building in New Kingston. Now, the second tallest building in New Kingston is what used to be the Wyndham Hotel, which is coming up into view now. That building straight ahead is the Courtney Tower, and that's the 19th tallest building in Jamaica. But straight ahead, that white building that used to be the Wyndham Hotel, it's now being refurbished, but that's the second tallest building in New Kingston and the fourth tallest building in Jamaica. Now, New Kingston is the business capital of Jamaica. Some say the Jamaican Wall Street. So you find that you have a lot of business taking place in New Kingston, so that's why you have so many hotels. So the two tallest buildings in New Kingston are actually hotels. Now, the third tallest building in Jamaica is the R. Danny Williams building, which we're going to take a look at now. And since we have the buildings in view, that white building is a Pan-Caribbean tower, and it's the fourth tallest building in New Kingston and the 11th tallest building in Jamaica. And this building over here now, this one, that used to be the Citibank building, it's the 6th tallest building in New Kingston and the 20th tallest building in Jamaica. So we're going to look at number 3 now. Number 4 was the Courtney, and number 5 would have been Citibank, are the tallest buildings in New Kingston. So let's take a look at the R. Danny Williams building. Now, all the buildings we have looked at so far are on Knutsford Boulevard. So Knutsford Boulevard has the tallest buildings in Jamaica, in New Kingston, are on Knutsford Boulevard, with the exception of this one, which is the R. Danny Williams building. Let's see if we can get a better view. So just to recap, the tallest building in New Kingston is the Pegasus Hotel. The second tallest is the Wyndham Hotel, or what used to be the Wyndham. The third tallest is the R. Danny Williams building, which is we just passed on the right. The fourth tallest is the Pan-Caribbean Tower, which was a white building. And then you had number 4 would have been the Courtney Hotel, and number 5 would have been the old Citibank building, which is now the Sagicor Sigma building. Alright, so those are the tallest buildings in Jamaica. So, in New Kingston, sorry. So, since we're talking about tallest buildings, we can go through the list of the 20 tallest buildings in Jamaica. At number 1, we have the Jamaica Pegasus. Number 2 is the Scotiabank Center, that's in downtown Kingston. Number 3 is the Sunset Jamaica Grand Tower 2. Number 4 is the Wyndham Hotel. Number 5 is the Bank of Jamaica building. Number 6 is the Sunset Jamaica Grand Tower 1. Number 7 is the Montego Bay Club Resort. Number 8 is the Office Center building. Number 9, Number 9 is the Powell Plaza in Manor Park. Number 10 is the R. Danny Williams building, which is New Kingston. Number 11 is the Pan Caribbean Tower, which we just looked at. Number 12 is the NCB South Tower, that's on Oxford Road. Number 13 is the ROK Hotel. Number 14 is Ocean Tower. And then 19 would be the Courtly Hotel, and 20 would be the Citibank building. So we should just note that 2 roads in Jamaica have the majority of these buildings. In New Kingston you have 5 of the tallest buildings are on Knutsford Boulevard. 5 of the top 20 buildings in Jamaica, 5 of them are on Knutsford Boulevard in New Kingston. And then Ocean Boulevard in downtown Kingston, Ocean Boulevard overlooks the Kingston Harbor. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the tallest buildings, but the second tallest building in Jamaica are all on Ocean Boulevard, which is in downtown Kingston. And as we said, Ocean Boulevard overlooks the Kingston Harbor. So we have videos up Ocean Drive or Ocean Boulevard and the buildings in downtown Kingston, so you can take a look at that video and you will see what those buildings look like. Alright, so this is Knutsford Boulevard, so we're just going to go up and come back around so you can get a nice view of the skyline in New Kingston, especially Knutsford Boulevard. Alright, so that's the Pan Caribbean building, the white building on the right. The Sagicor Sigma building used to be the Citibank building. And this is Knutsford Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.